Vaishnavi
and Sparsha
of class 9B.
We are here to demonstrate a project on human breathing movements. Did you know that every minute our lungs breathe in and out approximately 17,000 times? That's over 24,000 liters of air processed daily, supplying oxygen to our bodies and removing harmful carbon dioxide. Respiration is the unsung hero of our bodily functions, working tirelessly behind the scenes to sustain life.
Today we'll dive into the fascinating world of human respiration, exploring its intricacies and importance. Through our interactive model, we will demonstrate the processes of human respiration, highlighting the key mechanisms that make breathing possible. Join us on this remarkable journey of human respiration where science meets wonder.
Respiration. Respiration is the oxidation of glucose to release carbon dioxide, water, and energy. Respiration is of two types, aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is the respiration that takes place in the presence of oxygen, while anaerobic respiration is the respiration that takes place in the absence of oxygen. Processes in respiration: breathing, gaseous exchange, tissue respiration, and cellular respiration.
The human respiratory system consists of a pair of nostrils, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchiole, alveoli, and lungs. The lungs are a pair of elastic spongy organs situated in the thoracic cavity. They are tapering at the top and broad at the bottom.
The broad base of the lungs rests on the diaphragm. Each lung is surrounded by a double membranous structure called pleural membrane. The space between the two membranes is filled with pleural fluid, which provides lubrication and protection to the lung.
Let us take a closer look at our model. As we can see, there is a bell jar with a branched tube that represents the thoracic cavity, and we have two balloons representing the lungs and a large balloon representing the diaphragm.
Now let's demonstrate inhalation. During inhalation, the diaphragm contracts and falls into a horizontal plane. The space in the thoracic cavity increases and the air pressure decreases in the thoracic cavity with respect to the external atmospheric pressure, and air gushes inside the lungs. And now let's demonstrate exhalation. The diaphragm on relaxation goes back to its dome shape. The space inside the thoracic cavity decreases and the air pressure inside the thoracic cavity increases with respect to the external atmospheric pressure, and air gushes outside the lungs.
Notice how the model simulates the human respiration process. The diaphragm's movement controls the flow of air in and out of the lungs.
We show how our model breathes. Notice the diaphragm's movement. When the diaphragm moves down, the air enters into the lungs, and when it moves up, air leaves the lungs. Let's take a closer look at the lungs. As the diaphragm moves downwards, the balloons which act as lungs become bigger and air gushes inside the lungs. And when the diaphragm relaxes and goes back to its dome shape, the air gushes outside of the lungs. This model helps us to visualize the intricate process of human respiration. In conclusion, we hope this project inspires further exploration in the fascinating world of respiratory science.
Thank you for watching our video.